Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify product listings with Rakuten step by step clearly. To verify product listings with Rakuten, start by logging into your Rakuten account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the product listings section in your account. Click on the product you want to verify. Check the product title for accuracy. Next, review the product description for completeness and clarity. Examine the pricing to ensure it is correct. Look at the images associated with the product. Make sure the images are high quality and relevant. Verify the availability status of the product. Check shipping options and costs listed for the item. Confirm the return policy stated for the product. Review any customer reviews if available. Take note of the seller's rating and feedback. If anything seems off, gather your findings. Use the contact support option for any discrepancies you find. Provide detailed notes about the issues you uncovered. Follow up as needed to ensure corrections are made. Once all checks are completed, you can confidently promote the product. Log out of your account after finishing your verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.